Addresses the HSE audit for the project.
Contractor,
Construction. HSE plan.
HSE plan,
Addresses the required HSE MS.
HSE,
MS requirements.
HSE MS.
Requirements.
No. We have procedure for assessing.
Yeah.
So HSE MS assessment
Assessment.
requirement, right?
Assessment.
Yeah. And then this line, contractor HSE MS audit is done as per the plan.
Yeah.
This is because this is where you are going to assess it.
Yeah, it's already part of
And the company authority also conducts the regular HSE MS audit to ensure the compliance against the HSE MS.
Yes.
This I remove because this is a duplicate. So now I want to see, we have already seen the audit report. So I want to see the audit
You
report.
can mention the concept HSE plan. From the above, you can mention the concept.
And audit report.
Yeah. HSE audit report. Yeah, we have HSE assurance audit report. You can mention
HSE.
the assurance audit report. And then you can mention the document number. And internal OHS and ENB audit.
What is that? What is that?
Internal OHS.
No, internal. Okay, right. Internal OHS
and ENB.
JMB.
ENB
ENB
audit report.
Can we see one? Because then you can.
You need to get the approved